Greetings, beautiful soul. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to check in on today's conversation around holistic energy, because you know it's all around us. But today's topic is about dimension definitions. And I was having a conversation with some of my very close friends about the different dimensions, and they were mentioning, maybe you should do a segment on the definitions of the dimensions because so many of us are not real clear on what the different dimensions mean. So the first one is 3D, which of course we talk about all the time here. We talk about them all here, but 3D is where we are currently incarnated and we are having our experience. It is a physical realm of past, present, and future. It's time with a linear perception, and we experience it through physicality and materialism. So what does that all mean? Well, it means that life is experienced through our senses, and things are solid, like me, like the rocks and the mountains and everything around, and separate, like me and the rocks and mountains and everything around. But 4D is a realm of time and dreams. And I know I joke about 4D here a lot and say it's the now. It is our moment of now. Whoops, there it goes. And now again, whoops, there it goes again. But if you can check in and experience your now, and actually one of my very best teachers about the now moment is this little gem right here, because animals are always in the now. Their moment is this moment right here in front of us. And in this time of 4D, it's a bridge really between 3D and 5D, where we begin to realize that our thoughts and our emotions create our reality, which is really cool. And then of course 5D, the definition is spirituality. It's a spiritual dimension of elevated consciousness to unity, unconditional love, deep understanding of oneness of all existence. So no longer separation between me, the rocks, the mountains, the dog, the trees, everything. All life is from one source, and we're all interconnected. 5D transcends the physical limitations of our 3D experience, and it's rooted in peace, joy, and harmony with everything around you. And if you are interested in learning my usual 5 things that can help you shift into 5D, click on over at our website, holisticenergy.net, and you'll find some more information there. And the 5 things, actually, will be in the newsletter this week. So if you sign up for our newsletter, you'll get more information about the video topics. But again, I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day to join Luna and I out here to talk about dimension definitions. Well, I pant my way through a hike that it's about a 1,200 foot elevation gain, but it's a good one. And the view, as always, I love to marvel at how gorgeous it is here, even with that cloudy sky. Look at that, isn't it great? We should have some rain coming in, and the desert is starting to wake up, and the flowers are going to be spectacular soon. Again, connection with oneness, because we are all one energy. So have a beautiful rest of your day. Check out our website, and we'll see you back here again real soon. Thank you.